In this tutorial, I want to create a simple stopwatch which shows minutes and seconds and update them every second. Very good. Let's create a constructor to define the default value for minutes and second in the state. First of all, we call super and set the default state for minute, which is 0, and second, which is also 0. Very good. We want to update every second, so we need set interval function in JavaScript, and I want to use this function inside the component dig mount because I want to run this interval after the main component rendered. Here I use set interval, and here we have a function. Run this function every second. Inside this function, we want to update the state. I use this dot set state, and here, because I want to use this, I change the function to ES6 anonymous function style, and I want to return set state to new value, which new value is depend on the value of second. You should consider that we need to use the second form of set state, which is like this, as state and probes as the first argument. And return a new value of second and minutes. Okay, for second, we need to first check the current value of second, which is state dot second. If it's 59, we return 0, else we return second plus 1. For minute, we check second. If it's 59, we update the value of minute by 1, else we return the current value of minute. Okay. The last part is to change the hello world to the value of minute and second. Very good. Let's save the code, and as you see, the stopwatch works. Very good. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and what you learned in this tutorial is how component did mount work. It's the React component lifecycle method, and how you can update the set state with the previous value of state and probes. And we use set interval to update the state, and we use the second form of set state to update. Very good. I hope this sample helped you, and I just want to wait to see the 95, 59 to see updating the minutes. You see, minutes gets update and it works as we want. Thank you for your watching and listening, and please leave your comments in the screen bar. Thank you. Have fun. Bye-bye.